Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change wallpapers on this device. You can change wallpapers to pre-installed wallpapers, or you can download any wallpapers from the internet and set this wallpaper as default. If you want to change wallpapers to any of pre-installed, you need to set your finger on any free space on your device, on your screen, home screen, and click and hold. Then choose this button, wallpapers button. Click agree. Here you will see all system wallpapers. Here you have library. You can install any wallpapers from Xiaomi Themes store, or use any wallpapers from pre-installed. I want to use wallpapers from the Xiaomi store. Click apply. Here you can choose where you can apply this wallpaper. Only in lock screen, only in home screen, set both. All lock screens slide show these similar images. No, I want to set both. And here, as you can see, I have really beautiful wallpaper in my device. If you want to set any wallpapers from your device, from the internet, so just open the browser, open Bing or Google, bing.com, for example, and here choose enter bio. Beautiful wallpapers. Click images, and here you will see wallpapers. Choose any beautiful wallpaper and wait for it. Then click on this wallpaper and hold, then choose save image, allow. Couldn't save the image. Why? Save image. Image saved. Okay. Now open gallery, and here you will see your wallpaper. Great. Now click more and choose choose set as wallpaper. Agree, but allow, cancel. Go back. Great. Click more and set as wallpaper. Okay, now you can see how it will looks in lock screen and on the home screen. So choose the most beautiful view and click apply, and choose where you want to apply this wallpaper, on the lock screen and on the home screen. I want to set it only at lock screen, and as you can see, I have this beautiful wallpaper in my home screen and these beautiful wallpapers in my lock screen. And okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.